How to run any kind of mission without supplying actually power to it. Means without any kind of direct or indirect power or supply of input from us to a machine, the machine should work. In this project I am going to find the answer for this question, and it is possible. It is possible by using fields. Using fields we can create some amount of energy that is unlimited. Fields cannot be destroyed, but it can be disabled. Sometimes field can be created. Any object in field at a position experience and possess energy, and that is sometimes called as potential energy. Energy due to its position is called potential energy. Potential energy can be converted into electrical energy. Natural life in reality is done in hydropower plant. Field possess force. They are mainly dependent upon the Earth's gravitational force, and they are converting that Earth's field into energy. How do they convert Earth's field into energy? We may derive energy continuously from any type of field. Let's take example a steel bar. Before magnetizing it, it has no field. After magnetizing it, it has field. Means field can be produced. When we mishandle a magnet which is made of steel, then it becomes to a normal steel bar. Field can be disabled so that we can again make the steel bar into a magnet. If it is destroyed there, we cannot remagnetize it. For example, in hydroelectricity plant, then the water from the higher level jumps to the lower level, thus losing some amount of potential energy, which is converted into kinetic energy, and later it is converted into electrical energy by a dynamo. However, due to the field, the mass has potential energy. Field is nothing but force. Due to the force created by the field, the particles have potential energy, which is later converted into electrical energy. Field is a cause of energy. For example, in a geomagnetic storm, when Earth experiences a temporary magnetic field change, the change in its magnetic fields temporarily produce and induces current in the conductors on Earth. If the disturbance is permanent, then the induced current produced is also permanent. Fields can create energy. The fields are unlimited and they cannot be destroyed. So if we use this principle, fields are unlimited and cannot be destroyed. Fields can be used to make electricity. Fields can be used to make energy. We may create unlimited amount of energy. The application of fields can create energy. Photomagnetic effect. Photomagnetic effect is not developed from the past 100 years. Photomagnetic effect can create a machine which can create more energy from less intensity of light intake uses. With this method, we can run a machine without supply of petrol or energy. It can generate and it can go, and we can move with it. And we can go from Earth to some other universe. The main travel from one planet to another planet depends upon this. With this method, we can explore many new planets and we can go there and stay there. Kepler 22b, GT1214b, HD 40307g. These are the three planets on which a man can live. We can save petrol because petrol is an exhaustible resource, and after 100 years there may be no petrol. We can save Earth from global warming.